going on, folks? About to show you how you would change out the brake pads on a Toyota Corolla. This happens to be a 2017 year, but it's probably the same for multiple different years, especially maybe from the 2013 to about the 2018. The first thing you're going to want to do is pull off your your hubcap. All you want to do is kind of reach back behind it and pull it off like that. And once you get that off, next thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead on and take off your lock nuts, just like that. And always make sure that your car is secure. I have it up on a jack, as well as you can see. I have a jack stand that's holding it up also. You always want to practice safety whenever you're working on vehicles. So I would recommend that you get you some jack stands as well as a good jack. So now I'm taking off these. You'll just have 5 minutes to take off. And once you get those off, you just kind of want to pull your wheel off. I always like to take the wheel for extra security and kind of stick it underneath the vehicle just in case. And now I'm working on the actual driver's side. So what I'm going to do now is turn the wheel so it cocks out this way. That way I can get to it easy. I'm going to do it now. Alright, so I'm working on the driver's side. I turned the wheel out like this so I can get to my brake pads now. So what I'm going to need a size 14 pretty much to pull off. And on this one, I'm pretty sure you don't have to take out the top one. All you need to do is take out your bottom screw on your caliper. And once you take that out, you should be able to flip it up. And to loosen your bottom screw, you want to turn up on the driver's side. Just turn up like that, and this bottom screw should come out. And once you take that out, which took a size 14, you just want to take your caliper and kind of wiggle it and flip it up like that. Now, you don't want to put too much pressure on your brake line, but you want to have it up like that. And once you have it up, now what you want to do is you want to take something. They have like a hook that you can use to kind of hold this up, or if you got somebody else helping you, you want to get them to help you hold this up without putting a lot of pressure onto your brake line. And once you have that, what you want to do next is just come in, wiggle out your brake pads just like that, and they'll come out. Then what you want to do is take your new brake pads and slide it into these grooves the same way, just like this. You want to put it back behind like that, and then once you get it out, you want to just push it in. You also may need to push back your caliper if it's all the way out, and to do that what you'll need is a C-clamp. Now I'll show you a C-clamp. This right here is your C-clamp, and if you need to push back your brake caliper, which is right here, your cylinder, you'll take your old brake pad, put it on top of it, take your C-clamp in the back, make sure that you don't damage anything behind it, then you'll just turn it back in like that until you push it back in. I also have a video up that shows how to push back in your brake caliper on my channel. So if you want to go through my videos and find that, you'll be able to find that also. And I also may put a link to that video up top. Alright folks, once again, it's how you would change out your brake pads on a 2017 Toyota Corolla. Like I said, make sure you be careful with your brake line. If it feels like it's getting too much pressure, just go ahead and take out your top screw, which would be also a size 14 screw, and go ahead and change out your brake pads. And once again, you may need to press back in your caliper cylinder, which is right here. And if you need to do that, you can get you a C-clamp, costs about $5 or something like that from AutoZone or something like that, and press that back in. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your brake pads on a 2017 Toyota Corolla. Alright, thanks.